kids! Welcome to our English class. Again, this is Teacher Jaire, an English teacher from the Honor Tutorial Center. Now, are you ready to learn English? Alright, so grab your notebook and your pen and let's start learning with me. So for today, we are going to discuss another parts of speech. But before that, let's try to play this game first. Are you familiar with the game Simon Says? Okay, so I'm going to tell you a word, and then after that, you are going to follow what Simon says. Is it clear? Okay, let us start. Simon says, jump. Simon says, hands up. Simon says, sing. Wow! Simon says, dance. Simon says, clap. Simon says, turn around. Simon says, kick. Alright, very good. Good job. So, all of these words are actually connected to the topic that we are going to discuss for today, which is about verb. So, what is the meaning of verb? A verb is a word in the predicate that tells the physical or mental action or state of being. So again, when we say verb, this is the word that tells about the physical and mental action, and it also shows the state of being. So there are different kinds of verb. So we're going to discuss it one by one. Let's start with the first kind of verb, the action verb. So this is the most common type of verb. It tells what the subject is doing. From the word itself, action. So these are the moving words. For example, we played until it was dark. So the action verb here is played, because when you are playing, you are also moving. Next, everyone laughed at the funny movie. So here, the action verb is the word laughed. Do you understand? Can you give me more action verbs? Alright, very good. So now let's move on to the second type of verb. Remember that verbs are not only action verb. There is also what we call a linking verb. So from the word itself, linking verb, these verbs link a subject to a noun or an adjective that names or describes it. When we say noun, again, it is a name of a person, place, or thing. And then adjectives, it describes the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. So if the verb in the sentence link the subject or to what or whom the sentence is about to another noun or an adjective, we call that verb linking verb. For example, their dog is a Saint Bernard. So our subject is their dog. The dog specifically, and we have here the linking verb is. So we are linking the subject dog to another noun, which is Saint Bernard. So the function of the verb is to link the subject to the another noun. Next, the buttered popcorn smells delicious. As you can see, smells is also a linking verb. It is not an action word because it links the subject popcorn to an adjective, which is delicious. Next, lastly, we have what we call the helping verb. So helping verbs come before the main verb. Helping verbs help the state, the action, or show time. Take notes that helping verb is look like linking verb, but the only difference is that from the word itself, helping verb also comes before the main verb. So in short, it always have a partner. For example, Arnold will paint the door tomorrow. So where is the helping verb? The helping verb is will, because it is helping the main word or the action verb, which is paint. Second example, he has been painting the frame today. What is the helping verb? Very good. The helping verb is has been, because it is helping the main verb or the action verb, which is painting. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So now before we answer this, let's have first a quick review. When we say verb, it tells the mental, physical, and the state of being. And there are three different types of verb. The first one, we have the action verb, which tells what the subject is doing. The second one, we have the linking verb, which links the subjects to the noun or to the another adjective. And the third one is the helping verb, which helps the main verb or the action verb in the sentence. Do you now get it? Okay, so now let's try to answer this. Identify verb tense. So you're going to circle all of the action verbs, underline the linking verb, and draw a box around all the helping verbs. Are you ready? Okay, so now let us start. Number 1. Mrs. Baker is 42 years old. Can you tell me where is the verb in the sentence? Okay, the verb is. And what type of verb is is? Is it an action, a linking, or a helping verb? Okay, very good. This is a linking verb because it links the subject Baker to the adjective. Second one, she works at an automobile manufacturing plant in Michigan. Can you tell where is the verb in the sentence? Okay, very good. The verb is works. And what type of verb is works? Is it an action, linking, or helping verb? Okay, very good. Works is an action verb. Good job. Next, number 3. She has been working there for 20 years. Can you tell me where is the verb here? Okay, very good. So we have here has been and okay, working. So can you tell me what kind of verb is has been? Okay, so this is helping verb. How about working? Okay, this is an action verb. Wow, you are learning. Next. Number 4. In 20 more years, she will retire. Can you tell me where is the verb? Okay, very good. So we have here will and retire. What kind of verb is will? Okay, very good. This is a helping verb. And how about retire? Wow, good job. An action verb. So helping verb because it helps the action verb or the main verb, which is retire. Lastly, number 5. Mr. Baker was 42 years old last year. So can you tell me where's the verb? Okay, very good. Our verb is was. And was is what type of verb? Okay, very good. This is a linking verb because it links to the subject to the another or to the adjective of the sentence. What is your score? Can you share it to me? Wow, very good. And that is our discussion for today about the verb and the 3 types of verb. I hope that you learned something in today's lesson. So again, this is Teacher Jaira. Goodbye and see you on our next video.